Okay, this piece is metal. This is plastic. This is the power and sensitivity knob. This is the discrimination knob. There's a switch. If it's in the middle, it detects everything. Put it either the left or the right for hunting coins. So here's my first find, 2 nails in the dirt. The main reason I bought the metal detector is to find these roofing nails from having shingles replaced on the roof, and they were thrown on the ground around the house. And in one 10-foot area I found 3 of these, and I also found all of these nails. I guess they were from the construction of the house. They're all rusted. It's also good to find the iron markers